Well, thank you, upGrad. I think it was a wonderful session, and it's an opportunity for all the children who are seeking admissions outside the universities, what are the courses they offer, what is the path, the kind of portfolio buildings, workshops. upGrad is one solution. So thank you, upGrad. It was a wonderful, wonderful time spent. Thank you.
Good evening. upGrad is doing an excellent job. It's providing a very good exposure to our students for international universities. I'm sure these universities will help us, get a better exposure for our children. They learn so many skills, and I'm sure they'll get better placements if they get degrees, which have international presence. In fact, my own son is doing an MBA from Deacon's University with upGrad, and I'm very happy with it.
Yeah, good evening. First of all, I would like to say thank you for providing us this opportunity that upGrad has organized such a wonderful program. It was so enriching. Being in education sector, we have to be in continuous learning process, and in such rapid changing scenario, coming to know that what foreign universities are offering is a kind of great help. I really feel blessed that I was here today, and I really am hopeful that I am taking a very good informative piece of information to share with my students. Thank you.
Hi, very unique program by upGrad Abroad. I think this is one platform where students of Indian high schools, they are seeking universities of Indian flavor, at the same time international experience. So very, very unique. You can join Indian universities and then go abroad to have integrated courses between Indian universities and universities abroad, and upGrad is one institute which is helping all the students to find their best universities of their choice, and at the same time courses of their choice. I think upGrad Abroad is doing great job. I'm really impressed.
I'm Yogesh Sharma, HOD Social Sciences, PGT Political Science and Legal Studies. I definitely enriched myself when I attended the program. Our student is definitely going to be benefited if they are going to see the entire program, curriculum, and the universities that they are offering. Because it is requirement of the time that we should give a better exposure to our children, so that they can make themselves aware what are the courses the university is offering, different curriculum, different kind of programs, courses are there, scholarships, etc.
So it's been a great to meet here everyone, and upGrad is doing such a great work that reaching out to each and every student, clearing out their doubts, and providing a large platform for reaching out a number of universities worldwide. So it's great to be in contact with you all, and it's great what you have started.
Hi everyone, I'm just so glad to be here. I'm Gurjeet Kaur from DAV Vasant Kunj branch, and I got a lot of insight into how upGrad is helping teachers and counselors to provide information to the students, and I am looking forward for more interactions, and I think I need more information from them for my students, and I'll definitely follow up with them.
Some great work being done by the team at the upGrad. It was an absolute pleasure to come here and to know more about the program. I'm sure the children are going to benefit from the university program that upGrad is having, and also the path that they would tell the students to go in for the higher ed and create the career paths for them. So great work being done.